Dawn of 2024 ushers in fresh trends, and minimalist makeup is stealing the limelight. A nod to simplicity and elegance, it celebrates the natural beauty, perfect for a quick, stunning transformation. Visualize starting the day with a tinted moisturizer, enhancing, not masking, your complexion. The result? A smooth, even skin tone as light as air. A hint of cream blush adds color to your cheeks, the soft hue bringing a healthy glow, a nod to a cheerful morning. Brows, your face's expressive frames, get definition with a sweep of brow gel. It's striking how this small detail adds character. Eyes, the soul's windows, get a mascara coat. Defined, not overdone, in sync with the minimalist theme. A swipe of tinted lip balm finishes the look, adding a color hint while keeping lips soft and hydrated. The mirror reflects a fresh, effortless look, perfectly in tune with 2024's minimalist makeup trend. Minimalist makeup is more than a trend, it's a lifestyle, celebrating the beauty and simplicity, making every day a tad more beautiful,